Hello everyone, I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Today I'm going to be making a glass glitter mirror makeover with a mirror that I got from Goodwill that belonged on one of those dressers. It only cost me $9.95 and I'm going to be cutting part of the top so that I can make it into a square. I decided that I was going to leave one of the areas on the top because I wanted to hang some gems from the top part. So I marked it off where I wanted to remove the excess pieces of wood, and I cut it with my saw. Now I kind of nicked it in one area, so I ended up having to sand it down on the front side, and then I decided to sand the front of the mirror so that I can get all of that excess shine from the lacquer that was on it. And this way the paint would adhere to the front of it. Then I went on to painting, but I lost that footage. So the next thing you're going to see is the gems that I'm going to use. And also I have a clip of the actual painted mirror. I used a wire to tie up these pretty glass gems that I bought from Wish, and I also used this diamond wrap to embellish it. Now for some reason my camera stopped again, and it didn't take where I put the mesh in each corner. I put a square of the diamonds on each corner, and I also put it in the center between the top part, and then I put the tape around it just so that it'll hold the glitter glass and it doesn't fall all over the floor. I brought it inside and propped it up on some chairs because you guys all know that I had surgery on my back, and just bending over working on it was giving me a hard time. But I love to do these crafts, and this is why I do it. A little pain, it's a lot of gain. I should have placed something underneath it so they can catch the excess glitter, but I didn't. And when I went to take out the tape, I just took the trash can and put it underneath it. It was just tall enough to go right underneath the mirror, and when I pulled the tape off, all the excess fell into the trash can. I really would have liked to save as much of it as I could, but I saved what fell inside of the mirror, and everything that was on the excess on the outside part, I just put it in the... I only used one jar of the glitter glass, and I also used silver glitter. I mixed it together and it was just enough to go around the mirror one time. I didn't do excessive. I've seen other videos where they fill it up a lot, but I yet wasn't sure whether I wanted to actually keep it permanent. So I did enough so that if I wanted to take it out, I could take it out. And I also only did the gems on the top with some hot glue, and then I tied it with these wires so that they can hold the gems up, and you can't even see it with all the silver and the glass. Now isn't this absolutely gorgeous? I went ahead and put it over my mirrored cabinet. I'm going to be leaving the link to that video down below just so you guys can see how beautiful it can look. This is an absolutely beautiful mirror. It's humongous. The cabinet is about 36-37 inches long, and the mirror is bigger than that. So you can put it in your living room, you can put it in your dining room, you can put it in an entryway. The sky's the limit to how you can use it, and it's absolutely gorgeous and glamorous. Guys, thank you for coming to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. I will be leaving a couple of links down below to some of my newest videos. And please, as always, have a beautiful and blessed day. And please be safe. Wear your mask whenever needed. Bye.